All right, you have received this email because you've gone to our online store and purchased a scanner or setup. Or if you're a tier 3 member at Kingdom Minded Traders, you have full access. This is just a quick tutorial of how to upload those setups into your platform. Below this video is the link that you need to copy before moving forward. Also below is a link to the Charles Schwab website, so you have a printed version of what we are talking about. The first thing you're going to want to do is obviously log into your ThinkorSwim. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see setup. Drop down to open shared item. When you open shared item, this screen will pop up. This is important. You cannot use your mouse to right click and paste. You actually have to use Control V to paste that link that you've copied out of the email. You hit preview and then import. Mine's already on there, but I'm going to go ahead and override that. Now you've actually already installed it into your system. Where do we find it? If you've installed a full setup, you go to the upper right hand corner, setup, and it will be in the bottom of the drop down screen. If you have installed a flexible grid, you go down to the 6 to 9 dots, drop those down, and it will show up in this list. If you have installed a scanner, you go to the scanner tab and load scanner. And as always, we are praying for God's favor and blessing over you and your family. We hope this has been helpful for you.